Would you like to learn how to make videos like this? Or maybe like this. Well, then our complete Adobe Premiere Pro CC Masterclass course is for you. Hi, my name is Joe Paris, and I'm the best-selling online instructor serving more than 350,000 unique students in more than 70 courses. Together, working with my co-teacher, Jack Cole, we're going to teach you from scratch how to master Adobe Premiere Pro CC. This course is for you if you're looking to create and edit incredible videos using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. We teach you from a beginner to advanced user, meaning we show you how to get started with the basics, how to import your media, how to actually use title slides and add music. From there, we begin to go into the more advanced subjects like color grading, how to intertwine everything together using advanced tools, and so much more. By the time you finish our masterclass, you're going to be able to edit like a professional. You get it all in our one-stop shop complete Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass course, which is more than 7 hours of total video tutorial sharing with you everything that you need to know to master Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now, I always want my students to feel comfortable when making a purchase. That's why we have uploaded multiple free preview videos for you to view anytime. Also, I offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've absolutely nothing to risk, but everything to gain by enrolling today. It's time to take action. This offer won't last forever. Go ahead, click that Buy Now button, and we will see you in the course. Thanks again for enrolling.